The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what the charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I will be speaking about gold. First, we will be covering the technical aspect. We will then check what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is what the non-commercials and the biggest speculators in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by putting together these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, we're also currently running the Black Friday month. The link is in the description. You have a massive discount for the mentorship program and also the possibility to get a full refund of the mentorship program price credited directly in your trading account. So very interesting opportunity. I suggest you go and check it out. The link is in the description. Now, starting here on the monthly time frame, what do we have? Now, here on the monthly, we have a market which has just started a strong impulse to the upside, followed by this complex correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, what we can see here is that the market has retraced exactly to the 0.618 golden ratio of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which is a quite strong level of monthly demand and support, which in fact we can see that the market has tested and already rejected twice. We're also currently creating this minor inverted head and shoulders here, from which we can expect more bullish price action to develop. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here in the weekly, we can see that in all this impulse to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is exactly this red candle here, which means that clearly from this area and inside of here, we have very strong weekly demand and support that we can expect this market to reject to the upside. So also here in the weekly, we can expect more bullish price action to develop from this area and away from this area. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down on the daily, what do we see? Now on the daily time frame, we can see two important things. The first one is this big M pattern. Now, in general, after the creation of an M pattern, you want to see the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern itself at the previous support turned resistance. The second thing that we can see is that we have just entered this horizontal accumulation phase from which a rejection to the upside seems quite likely. And if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so basically what the non-commercials and the biggest speculators in the market are doing, what we can see is that net positions have been rising quite a lot. We went from 168k net positions up to 234k net positions with 326k longs and 91.9k shorts. So gold has been getting quite bullish. So we can expect a rejection to the upside, considering that from an institutional perspective, we are seeing net positions getting increased. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, the best time frames when it comes to confirmations and entries are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective inside of this area, and if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to potentially complete this M pattern at the neckline, which is this previous support turned resistance here on the daily time frame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.